Welcome back, subscribers. Today we're going to be doing honey mustard wings on the Traeger Ranger. You guys asked for it, you guys receive. Hit that like and subscribe. Hit that bell, and let's jump into it. I'm going to show you the prep, then we're going to get them on the Traeger Ranger, and we're going to enjoy some honey mustard wings. Quick, easy, delicious. Let's go. Alright guys, so as you can see, I have some pre-prepped wings here. I already hit them with the legendary, the one, the only, Bird Gang for poultry. Get this, guys. Domain link will be below. See, now I set this up a few days ago. I chopped these. I kind of been letting them marinate in the dry rub. As you can see, they kind of got sticky. And I only season the skin side. There's a method to my madness. When I do this recipe, or really when I do any wing recipe, I always go skin down on the Traeger. So I tend to make sure that that skin is nice and seasoned and marinated. But I didn't really season the underside, so we're gonna season that. Nothing crazy, but nice season. And this guys, this is the truth. This is what you want. This stuff will get you there. Look at the color. So we're gonna flip those and just give one more nice coating to that skin side. And we're gonna go fire up the Ranger and let this stuff soak in even more than it already has. Guys, this stuff has rosemary, paprika, salt, pepper. It's everything you want on a good smoked wing. Definitely worth it. Definitely a game changer. Let's go start that Traeger Ranger up, and then let's get these babies on. Best damn barbecue ever. All right, we got the Traeger Ranger rolling. We are on my front steps. All you gotta do is pick your desired temp. We're gonna go to 350. Boom. And we're off. I gotta take my sear plate out. And we're ready to rock. We'll be back, throw those wings on. All right, barbecue fam, we got this rolling. It's a little bit over 350, but that's all right. We got our chicken wings here. It's time to get them going. We're gonna go skin down. That's a law, all right? That's a law. Break that law, have soggy wings. It's on you. We're rolling at 350. And they're already sizzling. That's what we like to hear. All right, we'll give them about 20 minutes and we'll start flipping them with tongs. All right, barbecue fam, it's been about 20 minutes on the beautiful Traeger Ranger. Already starting to get crispy. Ooh. That's about 20 minutes skin down at 350. Gonna flip these. Let's get them all flipped. Give them another 15 minutes. We'll be about halfway there. Man, these are looking good. Sizzle, sizzle. Last one. All right. Already looking great, guys. We'll be back with another flip. Guys, we went 15 minutes skin up. Looking fantastic. We're gonna go 10 more minutes skin down at 350. Already getting that texture we want. Ooh, on both sides. Skin down 10 more minutes at 350 will get us that desired texture, and they'll be quote unquote done. And that's when we're gonna crank it down to 235 and apply our first layer of honey mustard. We'll see you guys in 10 minutes. All right, it's time to crank this down to 235 and flip these over, skin up again. Ooh. Check them out. Yeah, buddy. As I'm doing this, I'm gonna crank this down to 235. It's time to start glazing. We'll let this cool down, get acclimated to 235, and then we're gonna glaze them. Let's go. Nothing fancy here, guys. We got Newman's own honey mustard. You can find this in almost any store. All profits go to charity, and it has like this nice consistency to it that I think really complements smoking in general, but especially some smoked honey mustard wings. So I got a little container here. Just gonna go ahead and fill that up. All you're gonna need after that is a nice brush. Let's get to painting. We're sitting at around 235. That's exactly where we wanna be. We got that good old honey mustard. We got a brush. It's time to get the glazing. Or as I like to say, food painting. Nice even coats, especially on the flats. The drums are a little more difficult, but you don't want to go too light and you don't want to go too heavy. That's exactly where you want it. Ooh-wee. The 235 is going to help tighten that up without overcooking these wings. They're already cooked enough, guys. We just want to tighten that sauce up. Make it that sticky, icky, gooey goodness that you're looking for. Alright, 2 layers. We have exactly half of the cup left. That's perfect. Does it even smoke? Let those smoke up and let them rock at 235. We'll be back in 10 minutes for another coat. Traeger. Alright, so it's been 10 minutes. It's time to hit it with that last glaze. Oh yeah. Look at that. Looking like candy. Give you a better look. Whoa. One last glaze will do it. So let's do the damn thing. Remember, guys, they're nice and crispy underneath because of that 350 cook. So you're not losing any of the rub, you're not losing any of the flavor when you do this. It's just candy on top of flavor. Oh yeah. Last one. Alright guys, we'll be back in 10 minutes. We'll get that final product. It'll be time to dig in. Traeger. Alright barbecue fam, it's about that time. Whew. Wow. I'll give you a close-up, and then I'll give you a close-up of the plate. Wow. Candy. Traeger Ranger goes to work like an essential worker in COVID-19. There you have it, guys. Ooh. I'll get you one last good shot. We'll do a conclusion. We'll get you out of here. Do this recipe, like and subscribe. Incredible. Straight up incredible, guys. Alright, barbecue fam, so all in all, hour and a half cooked, give or take. A lot of flipping of the wings. Once you kick it down to 235, you hit it with a glaze, then you hit it with another glaze, then you have perfection. It's time for me to try a wing. Like and subscribe. I already know it's gonna be great. Hit that bell, guys, and I'll see you next time on the tripod. Comment below what you want me to cook next. Cheers. Candy.